Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu और आप देख रहे हैं Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1B of economics and iOS assignments. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And if you need this, you can get your assignments at your WhatsApp. You have to just say hi, or you can call also, and we provide also the online classes for this. If you need this, you can contact. Here we are discussing question number 1B, which is the various objectives of economic planning in India are drawn keeping in view its socio-economic problems. List out these objectives to be achieved during various planning periods of economic planning. So here we can say that this is the question number 1B, and we are here for just providing all the answers. We have prepared all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.